Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get boarding pass on Ryanair. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to ryanair.com. Go ahead and click on the login button if you're not already logged in, located at the top right corner of the homepage, and sign in or log in using any method that you originally chose. Once logged in, head over to the My Bookings tab, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you see a list of your upcoming flights. I do not have an upcoming flight, so there's literally nothing to show here. If you do, then you will be able to manage your bookings here. Identify the flights you wish for which you need a boarding pass and click on the check-in button next to the flight. Follow the prompts to enter your travel document details and complete the check-in process. It's easy, self-explanatory. After completing the check-in process, your boarding pass will be generated. You can choose to download and print, meaning you can click on the download button to save a PDF version of your boarding pass, which you can print at home or at a local print shop. You can access it via the Ryanair app. To open the Ryanair app on your mobile device specifically, navigate to the My Booking section on your mobile device and view your boarding pass. I'd like you to note some important things. Ryanair accepts mobile boarding passes on flights from the majority of airports in their network. Some airports cannot accept mobile boarding passes yet. These include airports in Turkey, except Dalaman, Morocco, and Tirana when traveling to the UK. So if you are traveling from an airport that doesn't accept mobile boarding passes, ensure you print your boarding pass before arriving at the airport. It's safer that way. And that's it, you've successfully obtained your Ryanair boarding pass using the Ryanair web app or the Ryanair mobile app. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping the tutorial marvelously helped you search.